As you can see, I include the iStream library and I using namespace. In the main function, I declare variable for the username, the two integer to be swapped, and a temporary variable that will help in swapping the values. The program first asks for the username that asks for two number. It will display the number before swapping, perform the swap using the temporary variable, and finally display the number after swapping. Now let's me run the program. Enter your name. Then enter two number, for example. Narration: while typing, I will enter my name. Then I will input the first number, which is hello, and the second number. As you can see, before swapping, the first number is kahit ano na yan. And the second number is kayo na bahala, kahit ano rin yan. After swapping, the first number is now ano yun na nga yun, yung ano yung pinagpalit nyo, and the second number is kung ano yung inalagay nyong number. This show the swapping of two integers in C++ works correctly using a temporary variable. And that's it. Thank you.